Welcome to this introduction to the empirical rule in statistics. This fundamental concept, also known as the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, is key to understanding how data is distributed in a normal distribution. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to estimate percentages of data within specific ranges. Before we dive into the rule itself, we must understand the shape of the data. A normal distribution, often called a bell curve, is perfectly symmetric. In this type of distribution, most of the data points are clustered near the center, tapering off equally on both sides. This pattern appears frequently in nature, from human heights to exam scores. There are two main players here. First is the mean, represented by the Greek letter mu. This is the center point. Second is the standard deviation, represented by sigma. This measures the spread. A small sigma means a tall, narrow curve, while a large sigma creates a flat, wide curve. The empirical rule gives us a quick way to estimate where data falls. It states three specific percentages. 68% of data falls within one standard deviation, 95% falls within two, and 99.7% falls within three standard deviations. Let's break these down one by one. The first part of the rule deals with the most common data. Approximately 68% of all observations will fall within just one standard deviation of the mean. This range covers the average or typical members of a population. Looking at the graph, the shaded blue area represents this 68%. It extends from the mean minus 1 sigma to the mean plus 1 sigma. This central chunk holds the majority of your data points. Moving outward, the second part of the rule states that approximately 95% of data falls within two standard deviations. If you are within this range, you are considered within the realm of normal variation. Only 5% of data lies outside this boundary. Here we see the purple area covering 95% of the curve. It is much wider, stretching from the mean minus 2 sigma to the mean plus 2 sigma. Notice how little space is left on the tails. Finally, we have the 99.7% rule. This states that almost all data, virtually the entire population, falls within three standard deviations. Finding a data point outside this range is extremely rare and is often considered an outlier. The orange area now fills nearly the entire screen. From the mean minus 3 sigma to the mean plus 3 sigma, we have captured almost everything. The tiny unshaded tips at the very ends represent that remaining 0.3%. Let's apply this to real life. Imagine a group of men with an average height of 175 centimeters and a standard deviation of 7 centimeters. Using our rule, we know that 68% of them are between 168 and 182 centimeters, and 95% are between 161 and 189 centimeters. To wrap up, remember these three numbers: 68, 95, and 99.7. They correspond to 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations from the mean. Mastering this rule allows you to quickly understand the spread and likelihood of data in any normal distribution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.